Welcome back to the LCC Model Editor software tutorial. In this video, we will introduce the basic operations for loading, browsing, and measuring data. To import 3D Gaussians, click Open or go to File and select Import. Opening data will clear any previously loaded data, while importing data loads it into the current scene. LCC data must be upgraded to LCC 2 before it can be used. LCC Model Editor supports two navigation modes, First Person and Pivot Mode. In Pivot Mode, you can hold the right mouse button and drag to pan, hold the left mouse button to rotate, and use the mouse scroll wheel to zoom. In First Person Mode, WASD control forward, backward, left, and right movement, while Q and E control descending and ascending. To view data properties, first click to select the data, and the property window will display the relevant attributes. To manage imported data, click on the data in the right panel to delete it. For easier model observation, you can use the coordinate axes in the upper right corner. Simply click on them to quickly switch to standard views. Next, let's look at the Measure tools. Click Measure on the left side to bring up the corresponding menu bar. First is Point Measurement. Click any point on the 3D Gaussian to view its detailed coordinate information. Second is Length Measurement, used for measuring continuous paths. If you click the wrong spot, you can right-click to undo the last point. Double-click or press Enter to finish drawing. Of course, after completion, you can still freely drag the nodes to make adjustments. Select Area Measurement from the menu, and you can click multiple points in the scene to define a polygon region. Once defined, you can also drag any vertex to adjust the boundaries, with the area of the region calculated and displayed in real time.